guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm not gonna make the intro so long. So today I'm going to be doing a curl former set. I have the little bag here. I have the orange and the pink rollers. I think this is the spiral curls. It came with two of these hooks, which I'm happy about, just in case I lose one. So if you saw my last video, this was a failed flat twist out, and I was gonna wash it, but I honestly don't feel like washing my hair, so I thought this would be a nice little style to start off with stretched hair. So all I'm gonna be using is some water and aloe vera juice, and I'm going to be using the Wetline Stream Gel for hold. I did try this before. I didn't film it just so I can kind of have a hang of the method. I used the Texture ID foam. I didn't like it. It was an extremely light hold, which is not what I want. So I'm going to use the gel, and I'm trying to decide what leave-in I want to use. I don't know. We'll see. So my hair is already divided into 4 sections. So I'm just going to spray this section with water just to make it a little easier to detangle. Okay. And then I'm just going to go in with my wide tooth comb and just detangle the hair. Alright. So this is how it's looking. Starting to revert, which is fine. Shit. So the last time I used the Texture ID leave-in, I think I'm gonna use that again, since I already have products under this. So I'm just gonna divide this section in half. And then, oh, missed the entire section, huh? So I'm just gonna spray it in my hand. Okay, that's how much I'm using. Just want to make sure my hair is completely saturated. Brush that in. I'm not fair. Took about that much Wetline. Carter Hall will break a wash and go. A little bit on my roots so they will cooperate with me. I'm just gonna separate these. Comb it out. Make sure it's all nice and distributed. Okay, so now for the curl former. So it kind of locks in place. Got a couple curl formers here. So all you do is pinch and just slide this through. The curl former is actually longer than the hook, which is funny. So, could I get up closer? All I'm doing is gonna twist my roots. So not the entire length of the hair. Ow. I'm just not with it. So I'm just twisting the roots a little bit. Putting the hook on there. Kind of holding the hair twisted. Pushing up the curl former. And it didn't go. That's why I gotta keep the roots twisted or my hair will snag when I'm trying to put the curl former on. So. And just push it up and pull your hair down. And it kind of like goes back in place. So I do kind of pull it down a little bit because sometimes it likes to curl on top of each other. Yeah, and that's it. And like my hair is like 3 rows down and then I still have the rest of this. Funny. It can get a little tight, but it's fine. So now spray this with a little bit more water because it's drying. Brush it. Because I dropped my comb, don't feel like picking it up. I may just split this one up actually, because that's a lot of hair. So, put a little bit more gel. Okay. Twist. First, let me put a curl former on. Twist, touch, Okay, so I'm just gonna let this speed up and then finish my head. how everything is looking. So hopefully I'm gonna try to have this done before I go to sleep, because I slept in these before and I don't want to sleep in these again. So yeah, I'm gonna let these air dry for a little bit before I use my blow dryer, and I will see you guys when it's time to take it out. So I feel like my hair is dry. I let it dry for a couple hours, and then I had the blow dry on it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna take these out and hopefully they're dry. So I'm just gonna straighten them out and then pinch the top and just slide out. Yes, they're dry. So just gonna do this. Let's speed it up.